Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox something that's going to be small, but is going to make a huge difference in a studio. A desk clamp power strip. Well, what's a desk clamp power strip? Let's open it up and find out. In the box we do have a user manual, which is just one paper. Opening this thing up, package in there a little loose. Hopefully this thing's okay. It has a clamp on the bottom. It can clamp on any desk, any tabletop, or just about any tabletop. It has 3 regular plugins. Now this is for the American 110 volt, and it does have 2 USB inputs and 2 USB-C charging ports. Supposedly, it has enough power to be able to charge up my EOS R10 from Canon, which is why I got, well, one of the reasons why I got it. It does have a 6-foot cable, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. It says, we guarantee to all buyers that our products are covered by 1-year warranty. Let's go ahead and try to set this thing up, see how it goes. Now, if you notice down here, you have a nice little knob to turn, and this is where the clamp is. All you got to do is put that clamp on, tighten her up. Ooh, actually, that's on there really good. Then you plug it in. Let's go ahead and plug this thing on the side. Plug it into the USB-C. It works. Look at that. We have a light. It is charging and it works. Awesome. And you're good to go. That is all there is to it, guys. So I hope this comes in handy like it will me. And as always, have a great day.